Okay, remember we talk about using shift to flip the the criteria, the attribute I want to change. So for example, I can go all the way back to the normal, and if I want to not just using the grab change, but rather I want to use other changes. So for example, the rotation, but I want to shift and X. Okay, that means I can only rotate at this. Okay, but what about scale? Let's just get over all the rotation. Okay, R and shift and Y. That means I do not rotate the X and Z, are only rotate Y. Okay, what about rotate and shift and Z? That means only the Z is changing. Okay, really simple. But what about scale? So scale, I can not only just scale on certain axes, but also I can flip it. So I can shift an X. That means the X is not changing, okay? The scale, the X is still 1, while keeping the Y and Z change, okay? But if I scale and shift and Y, that means only Y will not change, the X and Z is changing, okay? If I doing the scale and shift and Z, that means only the Z is not changing, X and Y is changing. Very simple, just flip it by adding a shift before you just add the X and Y in there. If you do not add a shift, that's the thing that you want to change. If you add a shift, you keep that thing unchanged.